Is your Samsung TV screen stubbornly black, plunging your entertainment into darkness? Today, we're going to diagnose and fix the frustrating blacklight issue on your Samsung TV, bringing your picture back to life. First, let's rule out the simplest fix. Grab your Samsung TV remote. We need to access your TV settings. Press the menu or settings button. The location can vary, but it's usually a gear icon or a button labeled menu or settings. Navigate to the picture settings. This is where most of our adjustments will be. Look for options like backlight, brightness, or old light. The exact name might differ depending on your Samsung TV model. Make sure this setting isn't turned all the way down to 0. If the backlight is low, increase it to a higher setting. Sometimes, a simple accidental adjustment can cause a completely black screen. Try nudging it up gradually to see if the picture reappears. If adjusting the backlight didn't solve it, we'll try a power cycle. This is like giving your TV a fresh start. Unplug the television from the wall outlet. Do not just turn it off with the remote. Physically disconnect the power. While it's unplugged, press and hold the physical power button on the TV itself for about 30 seconds. This helps to discharge any residual power. Then, plug the TV back in and turn it on, as usual using the remote. If your picture has returned, congratulations! You've successfully fixed the blacklight issue. If the screen remains black after these steps, it might indicate a more serious internal hardware problem, like a failing LED backlight strip, which would likely require professional repair.